Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa Competizione split screen. Unfortunately, Assetto Corsa Competizione, often called ACC, does not offer a split screen mode for local multiplayer. This means you cannot race against a friend on the same console or computer using a divided screen. The game is designed primarily for single-player immersion and extensive online competition, prioritizing a highly realistic and detailed driving experience for one player at a time. The developers of Assetto Corsa Competizione focused on delivering an incredibly authentic GT World Challenge racing simulation. This involves highly detailed car models, advanced physics, and realistic track environments. Running two separate camera views and physics calculations simultaneously for split screen would significantly impact performance and graphical fidelity. Therefore, the game's design leans heavily into providing the best possible experience for individual drivers, whether offline or in online multiplayer events. While local split screen isn't available, Assetto Corsa Competizione excels in its online multiplayer offerings. You can join public servers for casual races or participate in highly competitive events on dedicated competition servers. The game supports up to 3 players in certain online modes, allowing you to connect with friends and other racers from around the world. Creating private lobbies is also an option, providing a great way to organize races exclusively with your friends online. If you are specifically looking for a split-screen racing experience, there are many other excellent games that offer this feature. Titles such as the F1 series or certain Forza Motorsport games provide dedicated couch co-op options for racing with a friend side by side. Additionally, the original Assetto Corsa, with the help of community-created modifications like the custom shaders patch, can enable an experimental split-screen mode for local play. These alternatives can fulfill your desire for shared-screen racing fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.